Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the trading world. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or discouraged by early setbacks in your trading journey, you're not alone. Many traders face challenges and it's easy to feel like giving up. But what if I told you that the key to success lies in a few simple principles? In this video, I'm going to share 5 essential tips that can transform your trading mindset and help you become a more profitable trader. So, let's jump right in. Know what you're looking for. First up, it's vital to know exactly what you're looking for when you enter the market. Many new traders make the mistake of approaching each day with a blank slate, hoping to find the next big opportunity. This scattergun approach can lead to confusion and a lack of confidence in your trading strategy. Instead, focus on developing a clear edge. Pick a specific setup that resonates with you and stick to it. Each time you enter the market, ask yourself, does this setup align with my strategy? By homing in on what works for you, you'll build the conviction and confidence needed to succeed. Remember, it's not about chasing every move, it's about trading what you believe in. Tip 2. Set the right goals. Next, let's talk about goal setting. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for quick profits or big payouts, especially after a few successful trades. But focusing solely on the money can lead to bad habits and poor decision-making. Instead, shift your focus to building good trading habits. Concentrate on risk management, position sizing, and developing your strategy. When you prioritize these aspects, you'll find that the profits will follow naturally. It's all about creating a solid foundation for your trading career. Understand market conditions. Moving on to our third tip, learning to read market conditions. A common pitfall for traders is failing to recognize the current market environment. Whether the market is bullish, bearish, or consolidating, understanding these conditions is crucial for adapting your strategy. Take the time to analyze when your strategy performs best and when it doesn't. Keep a journal to track your observations and refine your approach. By being aware of market conditions, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Tip 4. Control your emotions. Now let's address the emotional side of trading. It's easy to let emotions dictate your actions, especially after a losing trade. Many traders fall into the trap of revenge trading, trying to recover losses quickly. This can lead to a downward spiral. Instead, practice emotional awareness. Recognize when you're feeling stressed or anxious, and have a plan in place for those moments. Sometimes, the best decision is to step away from the screen and regain your composure. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Tip 5. Enjoy the journey. Final, focus on enjoying the journey. Trading can be a tough path, filled with ups and downs. It requires a high level of accountability and self-reflection. Embrace the challenges and learn from your failures. Understand that every trader experiences losses. It's part of the game. The best traders are often the best at managing their losses. Accepting this reality can help reduce anxiety and make the trading experience more enjoyable. So there you have it. 5 tips to help you navigate the trading world with confidence and clarity. Remember, gaining experience in the market is invaluable, and no amount of reading can replace the lessons learned through practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, keep learning and happy trading.